Why carry boring bags when you can get something pretty, fashionable, and effortlessly yours? Carry your style by creating a custom tote bag with your photos, text, or logo, designed exactly the way you want. Upload any design and get durable, premium quality totes that stand out in a crowd. Made from strong canvas, these tote bags are perfect for shopping, work, travel, and daily use. Custom totes make perfect gifts for any occasions. Return gifts, event giveaways, or even as a stylish way to promote your brand. Add your photos, logos, or messages, customize both sides for a unique look, and switch to a reusable bag that's better for the planet. Get noticed by turning this everyday essential into something personal, pretty, and really durable. Get your custom tote bags at CanvasChamp today.